Hello everyone, here's to another day of learning SQL concepts. So now I would like to start with subqueries. So as you all know that the basic syntax for creating a table is create table, and here you will give your own table name which could be anything, and after giving creating table you can insert the data into this. Like I have given 3 records here. I have created 2 tables which names employee 1 and department for the purpose of SQL functions. So let's see. First of all, we'll start with subquery. So if you look at this line, this is what subquery means. This line is called outer query. The one which is inside the brackets is called inner query. So if we run this, first it initializes this inner query, and then later it initializes the outer query. So for example, let's see this. So if I run this, it only shows department number which is 20, and this 20 goes into the inside the bracket, and eventually if we run the whole line, it shows the department number which is 20 and its corresponding values. As you can see here, department number is 20 and its department number is CS, location is Singapore. This is how subquery works. First it evaluates the inner query and it goes to the outer query. And here is another example where I have changed department name to location here, and you can also try that. Okay, this all for example I will run this. If you run this, it is a function in where we can write the locations what you want in between. So you can see it comes with Malaysia locations. So coming to the SQL functions, some of the SQL functions, I will start with substring. So if you want to know the detailed function of substring, first what you want to do is select employee ID, employee name from this table, and you have to give substring which is a keyword, and in brackets ename which is our employee name, and 1,3 from name. So if I run this, what's the output? Let's see. So look, here is my employee name Sampath, and it gives the substrings names from 1 to 3. I mean characters from 1 to 3 starting from here, SAM. And if we look at the corresponding names as well, it also gives the starting 3 letters which we have given in our query, TAM, 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 TAM. So these are the examples. So this is the use of substring. And some of you might know that in SQL we have a query named percentage. If we use a percentage in between the letters, it will give the output like this. We will run once. So here it is given that AM is present in any name, then it will give the output. So look at this. Here in this name Sampath, AM is present in any of the in between, starting or ending or in between. So it has given Sampath as my output, which is in between the name. So here it is another command which we can use if we want to use. Means the names of the output it converts into upper means upper letters. Here you can see this, it converts to capital letters. I have to use upper of substring command. So coming to the ceil function, it gives the upper value of a given number in a bracket. So let's run this and check ceil. 1 minute. If you look at this, the ceil of 1.9 is 2. So 1.9 upper value, the round of the nearest value which is upper, it comes as an output for this. So if you use the floor function, it gives the bottom value. Let's check it. So the bottom value of 1.3, I mean the backward value of 1.3 is 1. So it rounds off the bottom value, we can say that. So you can see the output where we can get 1. So coming to the round function, it gives the nearest value. So the nearest value to 1.8 is 2. If you would have given 1.3 and it shows 1 as an output. So it depends on what number you have given. So here position, coming to the position function, let's run this once. So the position in which AM is located, it gives the position. As you can see, SAM in Sampath, it is located in second position. As a corresponding names, it gives the position of AM in the respective names in the output. It is what position is used for. So regexpect underscore instruct is also used as a position as well. It's similar to position. Let's see. Let's run this. So it comes as an output of position 11. We'll inquire this once. So what we have given is the full name and the number from which position you want to. So training starts from position 11. So the output is given as 11. So this is how regex underscore instruct is used as. So coming to the next concepts. So as we all know that aggregate functions consist of min, max, average, sum and count. So let's first now run count. Count, you all know that employee ID, it classifies the number of employee IDs and gives it as a count in the output. Count means simply nothing but number. So here average of salary means the salary of employees, which comes as an average. It's coming another one. Okay, the basic rule which we have to follow in SQL is that if you use any non-aggregate function with an aggregate function, you have to use group by and the non-aggregate function definitely. If you do not use that and run, as we have seen, we have got an error. So we should use it, is a basic rule. So now we will run this. So see, executed. So it is a non-aggregate function. So definitely you should use group by department number so that you can get the correct output. So coming from here, it is count and sum of salary means it calculates and adds the all salaries, total employee salaries and count, which is given here. And one thing I would like to tell is having is used when we have to compare any aggregate functions. We should not use where there. And there is, whenever we have to make a condition of aggregate functions, we should have used having only. Where should not be used. If you use where, then it doesn't give you output. So remember that. So coming to the window aggregate functions. So when window aggregate functions are used, so when you have a lot of records to be loaded in this select statement like employee ID, employee name, department salary and all, this comes as a number of too many records, then we will use this window aggregate functions. So normally we will write the records what we want in the select statement, and we have to give our and partition by employee ID. I mean we have to give the record number, record name, which we have to classify among. So as means alias, you can, as you know, alias is used for as a temporary name for clarification as well. So from employee table, so this is what qualify means similar to where condition. So let's now run this. So see, we will get the output. We have given a condition qualify greater than 50,000. So here it is. I mean greater than 1 lakh. Here is the output. So the same goes to rank as well. Rank is also considered as a window aggregate functions. Let's rank this. I mean let's run this. I have used rank here. So see, the highest salary which is in the employee table goes to 1, and also the second highest also the same goes to 1, and the second highest is 80,000 here, but the number is third. It calculates by using the alphabetical order of numbers, like this is 1, this is 2, and the next number which should be 3. It is the rank criteria to be given. The next number is 4, but the same records are repeating, so that we can get only 3 here. Let's see, 5 after we only get 6, then 7, then 8. It is the rank criteria. So this is how rank works. Now let's go to dense rank. Expected employee to error. Okay. So if you look at this, even though the numbers are repeating, it gives in a number order. Even though 2 comes here, then next will be 3, not 4 or 5. It comes in an order. Whereas in rank, you don't get like that. It comes normally as it is. So this is the main difference between dense rank and rank. Dense rank orders is that it gives number by order. So now let's see row number. So see, row number will give accordingly the numbers starting from 1 to 10. Irrespective of dense rank and rank, it doesn't counts duplicates or repeated values. It gives row number by number wise. So if you can see 1 to 8 numbers are there present here. So this is the row number used. So here I used one qualify function as well to get the top 2 salaries from the table. Here you can see the top 2 salaries are 1 lakh, 1 lakh, and the salary ranks are 1, because these are highest ranks. And coming to the union all, as you all know that union combines the tables irrespective of any common values. It combines the values of both the tables. So let's run this first. So see, both the values, the values from the both the tables are combined irrespective of the duplicates or nothing as well. Here you can see the duplicates also present here on HR from the both tables. So the difference between the union all and union is, you will see. So here the duplicates are eliminated. In the before table, one HR represented 2 times, but in this union eliminates the duplicates and gives distinct values. This is the main difference between union all and union. So coming to intersect, union all works faster than union, because union all doesn't classify any duplicates. It just gives the combination of two values from the both the tables, whereas union classifies whether there are duplicates or no duplicates, and then it takes some time to process, and then it gives the values. So union all is faster than union. So intersect, as we all know, that it gives common records among two tables. So let's see, the common record is on department number 1, department name HR. So this is how it works. So minus means it the common records will not be taken into the consideration, and the remaining records from the department 2 table will be the output. So let's say the common record 1 is which is eliminated, and the remaining records from the table 1, 2 comma 3, 2 3 are represented here. So this is how it works. So coming to the joins, as all you know that joins is a very important concept in SQL. So coming to the inner join, it outputs the matching records from both the tables. Is similar to intersection in set functions. So coming to the left outer join, it also represents the matching records from both the tables, which is inner join result from remaining records from the left table. Right join means matching records from both the tables and remaining records from the right table. Full outer join means the combination of matching records from both the tables plus remaining records from left from remaining records from right. It gives the whole left and right and the matching records from the both the tables. So let's see the example by running this. So if we run this, we will get a clarity on it. So see the common records have been represented here, which is inner join is used for. The common is 10 10. So coming to the left outer join. So see the common record from among the both the tables is 10 and remaining records from the left table is 10 and 20, which is represented here. So the syntax is just select left. We are using left outer join means we have to use a left dot star here, left table name dot star here, and left outer join where and second table name here on department number is the common record among the both tables, so that we have given is equal to accordingly. So now I will run right outer join syntax. So see the common records among the both the tables is 10 and the remaining records from the right table is 40 50, which is represented here. This is how right outer join works. So this is the full outer join syntax. Now I will run here. So see from the left outer join the null value is represented here. From the right outer join it gives the right join tables and the null value is represented here. This is the combination of right and join plus matching tables from matching records from the both the tables. This is how full outer join works. I mean there are also some of the joins which not used frequently but they are important. Which is self join, where the same table is joined with the same table. Same table is joined with same table, as you all know. Product join means missing. It is also known as missing join condition or unusual condition. So we'll run a sample of product join. It means it multiplies the records of both the tables and gives us that output. So suppose in the first record, I mean in the first table we have 3 records and in the second table we have 3 records. I mean 3 into 3 9. It will show 9 records now. So let us see it will show 9 records or not. There you go. It shows 9 records. This is the use of product join. In case of any misused condition, it uses well. These are the some of the basic interview SQL concepts which I have learned today, and make it as a video so that everyone can learn. So hope you guys understand. I will try to do better every day by day. Thank you.